Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn Alpine JavaScript. So first of all we will learn what is Alpine.js. Alpine.js is like a mini JavaScript framework that let you add a small interactive feature to your website without writing a lot of JavaScript. So this is like jQuery but simpler, or Vue.js but smaller. You just add a few special attributes to your HTML and it works. And why we use JavaScript? It's small and fast, and it's easy to use, perfect for small feature. So let's start how we can write JavaScript. So this is simply just I just created one folder alpine.js. Inside I have created index.html. So first of all we need Alpine JavaScript CDN URL. So what will we do? We will open Alpine. This is official page of alpine.dev. So from here we'll copy this CDN URL and add in our index.html. So here we need to add https colon. So for CSS we will use Tailwind Tailwind.css framework. From here plus CDN tab we will copy the script of Tailwind CSS. Why we are taking this? This is like inbuilt CSS. Mm, so let's start. As of now you can see this is our this is just redo and this is h1. Let me adjust. Okay, so this is our so, so this div x dot data. So here we will, so this is our component. So here we are defining open colon false. Inside this we will create one h1. Adding some classes, padding for margin and y-axis 6 dot rounded. Here we will add some dummy text. This is so here if you see this is like h1. So this is our component. So whatever we define inside in x.data, so we can access within this div. Outside of this we cannot, it will not work. Okay, so we can use this x hyphen show equal to open. So once you save it, it will not visible. So once we change it to true, it will be visible. So but why on is small when I refreshing, so it is small jerking, small visible. So how we can do this? Here we will create style. In this style we will give a x clock, clock. Here display, we will use this x clock. So now this jerking is not, now when I refresh it, not visible. Okay, now let's create a button, toggle button. So add some class here, background blue, 800 white, pixel horizontal, padding horizontal, sorry, padding horizontal 4, padding y-axis 6, rounded, enter. Give some text. To, this is our toggle button. Rounded Excel. Okay. So this is, so now here we use x hyphen on click equal to open equal to opposite of this current open. So here is it like currently it's true, but it's just opposite of true. So once we click, so it will get opposite. So like this, when we click this, it will show up. So how this will be work. So one more thing here, so we can change this button color on click. So how we can do, so we will use x hyphen bind class. So how this will work, open is true, will set this blue color there, visit, sorry, bg 800 else bg green 700. So like it will change the color. So once is it true, it will then give this color. If is it false, it will give this green color. Okay. So one more thing, we can check the effect here also. There is a effect. So we create a one div. Inside this div, we'll create x hyphen effect. Effect equal to console dot log open. So once we clear the console of this, so it will show this effect. If I click here, so it will render false. When I once more time I will click again, so it will show true. So effect also we can add here, alert also, ALERT alert. So once we click, it will show false. Then if we click again, it will show true, like this. So one more. So let's go for the next attribute. So we have, let's create one more div. Then inside this div, add one class margin y-axis 4. So remove this alert, add console log. Okay, inside this div, add some text like the value